What's going on, everybody? Steve Mattel here from Flex Finger Lakes. As you can tell, I'm drenched. I just got done with my home workout. It's actually a program that Rodney and I, mostly Rodney, created. It's brutal. He's wanted me to try it out for a bit now, you know, since we're partners and everything like that. And we know how many people have been affected with COVID-19. And how so many people are now stuck home, having to work out at home, and probably have never done all these home exercises before, or probably lacking motivation. We honestly wanted to create something for you guys to stay motivated and consistent as you're working out. It's rough. So me, as a power bodybuilder and someone that was, you know, fairly skinny for most of my life, my, you know, motivation or my goals were always to get bigger, you know, gain more weight, look bigger. So this is a totally new territory for me. Rodney, who's actually in his cutting phase of stuff, I've kind of relied on him to come up with a program for you guys. And I was like, you know what, you do it, I'll do the workout, I'll see how it is, because it's something that, you know, I want to do here as well, and show you guys that this is a program that works. If I'm able to do it, if I'm getting a sick, crazy workout, then I know you guys are able to do it too. I've never really been huge into cardio, like, ever. So like I said, this was a new experience for me, and it was a lot of fun. I mean, it was rough because I'm so used to just lifting heavy and taking major breaks through my lifts that I was like, this is a huge change. You know, I edited the video like last week or so. I was like, I think this is something I can do. But as you'll see in this video, because I recorded me doing it, it was a struggle. I thought it was going to be a lot easier. Whoo, it's not. But that's a good thing, right? Because if you're just at home, just, you know, lazing around with these workouts, doing push-ups, doing sit-ups here and there, you're not going to get the full benefits of, you know, where you still want to go. Just because you're in lockdown right now, not able to go to the gym, probably not able to get that many weights right now delivered to you, it doesn't give you an excuse to slack. You have those goals in place, so there's no reason for you just to kind of give up on those goals just because you're home. It should get you a little bit more motivated, or, you know, give you a little bit of a different drive to try something newer out. And that's literally what we wanted to create for you guys. So in this video, you'll see me struggling, you'll see me bust my ass. It's to show you guys that this is the free video that we're looking to give to you guys. And if you're able to follow along and do these exercises, like, you know, once or twice a week, you're gonna see some huge benefits. I mean, honestly, like, just me doing this one time, I can tell that, you know, my heart rate is obviously up. I am starving, by the way, so I'm burning calories there. You'll cut up, all right? If you're looking to tone up, if you're looking to still look good while you're at home, this is gonna do those things for you. So in the description below is going to be a link to our free video for you guys. So if you're interested in a sick at-home routine that you can only do, or you can do once or twice a week, preferably twice, honestly, go ahead and click that. You're going to see some huge gains. It's going to be awesome. I am telling you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and all the other videos that we have in the pages, make sure to, you know, put a thumbs up on it, subscribe, share, like, comment, do all of those things. We want to bring new content to you guys every week, just because, I mean, this is an important time. It's tough. It's a tough time with us being kind of stuck at home, not able to do that much. So I think that this is going to help you guys out a lot, all right? Thank you guys. Watch the video. Watch me struggling. It's fun. It's crazy, but it's well worth it, all right? I'll talk to you guys soon.
Drop. Drop.
Mackay.
Drop.